It screams for hours and hours. It gets annoying.
Oh my God, Joseph! I don't want to say ever again.
Yeah, Joseph, we don't want you to be our son no more. Guys, let's get out of here. Oh, I ain't got no teeth.
Oh, look at that, Joseph. You just lost all your family. What? They're gonna leave me?
Yeah, they left you because you, what you did to Jacob.
Oh, no. I have no one. I'm right where I started.
Yeah, Joseph, but look, maybe one day somebody will adopt you. It's not those pieces of paper, you know. Look, one day you'll have a nice, happy family.